Yes, but what about a video camera for live streaming? I'm Jefferson Graham. This is another mailbag edition of the Photowalks channel. Thank you, Renee, for your question. Before we get to the answers, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button for the latest updates. So you'll recall that in our last episode, I said that I believed that smartphones were your best bet for shooting video for vloggers. They're in our pocket already, they're easier to use than camcorders, and they shoot in higher resolution. But what if you're doing a live stream of a live event like a church ceremony or a panel discussion? What then? Well, I'd still recommend starting with the smartphone as long as you're willing to have one long, pretty boring static image of your event. You just open up your YouTube or Facebook app, hit live, put in a title and a description, and the next thing you know, you are live to the world. It couldn't be any easier. The only problem is it's a little dull to look at. Sound will also be an issue. More on that in a minute. Before we dive into sound, I have a question for you. Renee, are you willing to stand behind the camera and operate it during the event, or will it just be going nonstop? If the answer is yes, I would pick up a camera like the Sony RX10II or the Canon 80D. Both sell for around $1,000, and they have nice long zoom lenses that will get you closer to the action, and an HDMI out that will get you live streaming pretty simply. You could also look for a Canon or Sony camcorder in that price range. Be sure to get one with a 1-inch sensor. For economy viewers today, how about the Mevo live stream camera? It's currently on sale for $200. It's a glorified webcam, but it will let you crop the image accordingly on a smartphone app during the production and basically let you play the director. At $200, it's a steal. You'll probably want to get the Mevo Boost as well to plug a microphone into it. Speaking of sound, I think the best bet if you're going to shoot on a smartphone, pick up something like the Rode Smart Lab. It sells for $80. Be sure to get the extension cord for it. Put the mic right near the speaker, connect it to your phone. That should work pretty well, or try to go out directly from the phone to the soundboard. For questions about how to do that, hit me up in the comments below, where I welcome any of your questions about video production. I'm Jefferson Graham. You've been watching the Photowalks channel. Don't forget that this weekend we continue